Are you planning to visit Albania, but not sure which cities to include in your itinerary? Look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 cities to visit in Albania, based on the number of visitors and overall satisfaction. Number 5, we have Barat. Known as the City of 1,000 Windows, Barat is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has managed to preserve its Ottoman-era architecture and charm. The city is situated on a hill and is divided into 3 parts: the castle, the old town, and the new town. The castle is the most popular attraction, with its cobbled streets, medieval houses, and stunning views of the valley below. The old town, on the other hand, is home to many churches, museums, and traditional houses that have been turned into ghost houses and restaurants. If you're a history buff or just looking for a peaceful getaway, Barat is definitely worth a visit. Number 4, we have Skodra, located in the northwestern part of Albania. Skodra has a rich history and is considered one of the oldest cities in the Balkans. The city is known for its cultural diversity, with influences from the Illyrians, Romans, Ottomans, and Venetians. Skodra is home to many museums, art galleries, and landmarks, such as the Rozafa Castle, the Marubi National Museum of Photography, and the Abu Bekir Mosque. The city also offers plenty of outdoor activities, such as hiking in the nearby mountains or cycling around Lake Skodra. If you're looking for a mix of culture and adventure, Skodra is the place to be. Number 3, we have Jastra. Another UNESCO World Heritage Site, Jastra is a well-preserved Ottoman-era town that has managed to retain its traditional architecture and way of life. The town is situated on a hill overlooking the Drino Valley, and is known for its cobblestone streets, stone houses, and stunning views. The main attraction in Jastra is the castle, which offers a glimpse into the town's rich history and culture. Other notable landmarks include the Ethnographic Museum, the Skengeli House, and the Bazaar. If you're a fan of history and architecture, Jastra should definitely be on your list. Number 2, we have Saranda. Located on the southern coast of Albania, Saranda is a popular tourist destination known for its crystal-clear waters and beautiful beaches. The town offers plenty of activities, such as swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Saranda is also home to many landmarks, such as the ancient city of Butrin, the Blue Eye Natural Spring, and the Lekirisi Castle. The town has a vibrant nightlife, with plenty of bars, clubs, and restaurants to choose from. If you're looking for a beach vacation with a touch of culture, Saranda is the perfect destination. And finally, at number 1, we have Tirana. The capital of Albania, Tirana is a modern and vibrant city that has undergone major changes in recent years. The city is known for its colorful buildings, bustling streets, and lively atmosphere. Tirana has many landmarks, such as the Skanderbeg Square, the National History Museum, and the Pyramid of Tirana. The city also offers plenty of shopping, dining, and nightlife options, making it a great destination for anyone looking for a city break. If you're planning to visit Albania, Tirana should definitely be on your list. These are the top 5 cities to visit in Albania, each offering a unique experience and plenty of things to see and do. Have you already visited any of these cities? What was your experience like? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more travel-related content.